Risk is increasingly complex, interconnected, and systemic. When selecting, pricing, trading, and mitigating individual risks or portfolios of risk, many companies struggle with legacy standalone applications, limited data sets, out-of-date, poorly calibrated models, and siloed decision-making. You need to move beyond inconsistent results from different systems and the volatility from compromised decisions and poor business outcomes to a place where insightful, unified analytics give you a competitive advantage. Traditional risk management approaches won't get you there. RMS, with its intelligent risk platform and the risk applications, models, and data the platform supports, will. The Intelligent Risk Platform includes a modular set of connected, collaborative applications that help you remove unnecessary manual steps. These applications, such as Risk Modeler and Exposure IQ, improve decision-making and can help you quickly identify risk concentrations across geographies and portfolios using the latest science from RMS. We allow you to break down silos and provide unified risk analytics in real time. Our platform is the only collaborative applications and unified risk analytics platform delivered natively in the cloud, enabling you to make better decisions and outperform through innovation and risk management excellence. We start by giving your underwriters, portfolio managers, and modelers seamless and secure access to the same consistent, granular, and trusted data. Plus, the ability to quickly run precise accumulations across your insurance and reinsurance portfolios to provide more insightful, enterprise-wide views of risk, along with visibility into new correlations you may have otherwise missed. Our platform, models data, and applications give you a basis for competitive advantage in risk selection, pricing, and portfolio optimization, and the agility to pivot and align to your customers' shifting needs. Decisions that used to take weeks or months now take minutes. A better understanding of risk means better decisions. And now, with applications powered by the Intelligent Risk Platform, you can manage risk in a whole new way. To learn more, please contact us today.